Hey everybody, we've got some more Disney Cars 3 Mashems. And I'm really excited to see who we're going to find inside. So let's start looking. I wonder who could be in here. Lightning McQueen! We haven't found Lightning McQueen in any of our other videos. This is super cool! Stretch him! Alright, Lightning! Oh, you stretch so far! And you're so squishy! I wonder if we'll find a Jackson Storm for you to race. Let's keep looking. Here's another one. Who could this be? It's Luigi! Woohoo! Very, very nice, Luigi. Are you going to help Lightning McQueen with his big race? He just squirted all over the place. This thing busted. That's really, really gross. I can't believe he did that. Now my tablecloth's all wet. That's super, super gross. Well, I guess we know what's inside. I totally didn't mean to do that. Yuck. Alright, well, let's open up the rest of these and hopefully they don't break on us. Who else are we gonna find? Ah, there's Jackson Storm. Very cool. Now Lightning McQueen has someone to race. Boom, boom. And the next one. Let's see. There we go. We need another Luigi to help Lightning McQueen with his race. Oh, well, Cruz Ramirez will do. Stretch. Stretch. We've got our 3 racers for our big race. And let's open up another one. Who else are we going to find? Hopefully we don't find any more broken ones. Ah, it's Smokey! Oh, Smokey's really cool. And he stretches. Oh, stretchy stretch! We'll put Smokey over here. And who's this? It's another Smokey! Smokey! And then here is Mater from another video that we did. Mater! Oh, we've got one more. Who's in here? Let's see. Oh, you're not supposed to be in there. That's Paw Patrol Chase. That's silly. We had a Paw Patrol Chase in a Disney Cars 3 Mashem box. Super silly. And we have a broken Luigi. Uh-oh. Alright, well these were pretty cool. I'm glad I got to share them with you. And I'm glad we finally found a Lightning McQueen. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys.